Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to the CAS video update today. And if you've watched the CAS update yesterday, I told you that we are looking for CAS to basically go back for the retest, and then after the retest I'm pretty sure you're looking for a move up there, get rejection here, and then eventually drop down to this technical target. So that is happening right now, and the reason why we're pumping is just very simple. You have this left shoulder, the head here, and the right shoulder. You can actually visit the yesterday's video and you can watch everything, because this is exactly what was being explained. Okay, we were down here, and the only thing I did was zoom in here and talk about how the fact that you really broke down there, but you never back tested this trend line, which is on the daily actually. So if I go into the daily time frame, the trend line was never back tested. Look at that. Okay, so a move down, bearish closing right here, and this is actually way more better on the daily, because look at that. Okay, this is a very perfect, picture perfect head and shoulders. You're not going to see such a perfect head and shoulder most of the time. Okay, but this one is just I mean, even a beginner, even if someone doesn't know trading, you can say, yeah, this does actually look like a human being with a head, and basically this is the neckline here, and that's your shoulder right over there. Okay, and this is like potentially the body, and look at those legs. Okay, these legs are looking so nice, but the thing is that basically we're gonna go back to the neckline and then go down to the legs. Okay, so I don't know what I'm saying, but it does make sense, right? You go to the neck and then you go down to the legs, which you go to north and then you go down to south. That's the main plan. Now let's bring in the EMAs and let's look at the EMAs. So right now, yeah, you're crossing the EMAs. That's pretty good, and but unfortunately today, this time, it's not the EMA. Okay, EMA don't make sense right now. What makes sense here is a pattern, picture perfect head and shoulder, very clear break to the downside, going back for the retest. So in the next 2-3 days, we might get up to 0.04 or something like that, get to 0.04, take out some stop loss, because that's the idea in yesterday's video when I was talking about how you have your stop losses here. Some people have it here, some people have it here, and some people have this stop loss right over here, and even right over there. Okay, so 39167. So take all the stop losses and turn everyone bullish once again. But this is again the retest. Okay, this is your support, loss of support, go back. This can turn into resistance. I'm not looking at the price. I'm not looking at 42 or 39 or 37. No, I'm just looking at very simple support and resistance. If this is going to be broken, let's say you do come up here and break this, that's one of the best fake outs you're ever going to see in a market. And I'm going to have to, or you may even have to, force yourself to flip your opinion. And if you break above here, come up, back test, and this is going to be 44. So if you go to 0.044, amazing. Okay, I don't think you're looking for any downside, but this one here, you do have room to go up and then come down eventually. Hope it makes sense, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.